Hey guys, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the Taylor Craft. So enjoy the show. If you're listening in the background, that's Greg from Fat Guy Flies RC doing his thing over there. A little behind the scenes if you want to watch him do things. Looks like he's reviewing a Cessna 182. So if you guys like a 182 foamy, that's a pretty good looking little airplane. I had one when I first got back into flying. It was a really nice little airplane. Got here. Good. Shit. That's not good. Got the CG set up wrong. That was a good save, guys. Really good save. That was a very good save. Something happened there. Wonder what happened there. I think the battery shifted. Yep, the battery shifted all the way to the tail. Really?